I'm Amelia Earhart.
All right. Today, we visited Amelia Earhart Birthplace Museum. The famous female pilot Amelia Earhart was born in this home. This historic home sits on top of the west bank of the scenic Missouri River in Atchison, Kansas. When you visit, you'll step back in time to an era long ago and first notice it's surrounded by the original brick roads from the late 1800s. The Gothic Revival cottage, built in 1861, was restored more than 100 years later in 1984. She was born in this home, which belonged to her grandparents, Judge Alfred and Amelia Otis. You will see to your left, which is actually to my right now, the 1908 Edison phonograph. Amelia's sister donated the small drop leaf table to the museum. So, do you see the drop leaf table? It's right by Dad. When the museum renovations began, Muriel was still alive and was able to provide input and memories, which helped return the house to what it looked like during her childhood. Muriel died at the age of 98 in 1998.
It says today this room is being used as our gift shop, but is in fact one of the oldest parts of the house. Grandpa Otis bought this lot in 1861 and began building the first 9 rooms of the house. The final room of the house, the formal dining room, was finished 12 years later in 1873. He then had a pass-through put in the corner of the kitchen to be able to have the food served in the dining room. The door to the left of the pass-through was where the cook's quarters were. The floors in this room are the only original floors left in the house, dating to about 1861.
Are you having fun? Good. Good to hear it.
The museum is fun and engaging for all ages. Your kids will love searching for items on their bingo sheets in every room of the home as they learn more about the life of Amelia. Amelia Earhart was more than a pilot. She was a photographer, an airline owner, a clothes designer, a college advisor, an author, and more.
Junior pilot book, and if you say the pledge at the very back with me, then you get our junior pilot's seal of approval. As a junior pilot, I promise to share the courageous actions of Amelia Earhart. Congratulations. If I can get those back real quick, you'll get our official seal of approval here.
So on the back of this card, it has wildflower seeds,
and forget-me-not seeds. So you just tear it up and plant it, and it's something for you to remember. Thank you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, we will definitely do that. Be sure to check out our other videos here.